Imagine billions of dollars vanishing into thin air, yet reappearing as luxury villas, political donations, and offshore accounts. How can money be everywhere and nowhere at the same time? Welcome to the shadowy world of shell companies in India. India's economy has always been a magnet for capital, but behind the glittering skyscrapers lies a darker story. In 2011 alone, illicit financial flows were estimated at over $50 billion, enough to fund every public hospital in the country for years. Think of the Shell Company as a mask. It looks like a business, but behind it, there's nothing but shadows. Here's how it works. Step 1. Create a company on paper. No factory, no workers, just a name. Step 2. Move money through it, disguised as loans, investments, or trade invoices. Step 3. Layer it across multiple shells until the trail is impossible to follow. It's like pouring dye into a river. By the time it reaches the ocean, you can't trace where it began. These shells became the perfect laundromats for black money, turning dirty rupees into clean capital. But every mask eventually slips. In 2016, India's demonetization exposed thousands of shell firms suddenly moving massive sums. Investigations revealed networks tied to politicians, industrialists, and even global tax havens. Overnight, over 200,000 shell companies were struck off the registry. What looked like legitimate businesses collapsed like a house of cards. The fallout was immense. Real estate markets froze. Political campaigns faced scrutiny. Ordinary citizens realized that corruption wasn't just a headline. It was shaping the price of their homes, the jobs they lost, the taxes they paid. And even today, new shells rise from the ashes, adapting faster than regulators can chase them. The lesson? Money always seeks the shadows. Shell companies are not just loopholes. They are mirrors reflecting the cracks in governance. Until transparency becomes stronger than secrecy, billions will keep slipping through invisible doors. So here's the question. Do you believe shell companies are just tools of the corrupt elite? Or are they symptoms of a broken system we all live in? Let me know in the comments.